It is wonderful that wooden products are now widely available in all domestic and foreign markets. So have you witnessed the process of creating these artistic masterpieces? Let us take you into the world of woodworking with these modern advanced machines. Please like and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos. Starting with the brute force 2030 CS wood processor that turns giant logs into finely processed lumber, ensuring efficiency and precision, making it indispensable in the logging industry. Able to move on any terrain, the purpose-built wood peeler, rotating drum and blade precisely strips bark, processes wood at an exceptional speed of 300 to 500 logs per hour. It reveals the natural beauty hidden beneath its rough exterior. In the heart of the sawmill, the sharp blades of lumber easily cut through a large log, turning raw wood into perfectly sized boards, each pass echoing the power of industry. Next we come to the Hahn HFP 160 forestry treatment machine with a processing capacity of up to 160 cubic meters per hour. It can easily destroy wood, classify and stack wood with incredible speed, and accuracy amazes with unprecedented effectiveness. The advanced machine's giant claws skillfully lift and arrange logs precisely, helping to simplify the process of sorting and transporting wood, ensuring efficient logistics and minimizing damage when handling physical. An American sawmill, wooden pallets designed for logs with large diameters of up to 45 cm are ready. Each pallet is capable of safely supporting these huge blocks of wood. In addition to productivity, these saws also play an important role in sustaining the livelihoods of Amish communities, providing the means to turn raw wood into valuable lumber for construction and crafts. If you are someone who has worked in wood processing factories, please subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos and wood processing machinery. Capable of splitting logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter, the Yanmar Splitex 455T wood splitter easily turns large logs into manageable pieces. The HWP 120 accessory on the CAT 307C excavator is a powerful tool in forestry operations, effectively turning trees into wood chips or sawdust. The non-stop operation of standard wood sorting vertical flow machines has helped make the next wood processing step easier and save time. The Woodmiser LT70 saw stands tall in the middle of a large factory with a cutting blade that cuts wood with precision and power, maximizing wood usage and minimizing waste. Its efficiency and precision make it an indispensable tool for both woodworking operations. Surprisingly, the precise cutting force of the sharp saw blade combined with the advanced excavator has made the wood processing process easier. Here are some interesting moments recorded. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to support us. Continue with the 6-Meba HTZ 1200 plus horizontal band saw that cuts through softwood with high precision, quickly turning large logs into valuable logs and reducing waste in the wood industry sword. The Z903SB and rotor Entrindon bark peelers have streamlined the bark removal process, ensuring a smooth transition from raw wood to processed lumber, promoting efficiency and maximizing use of resources. Capable of splitting 1 rometer of wood in just 6 minutes, the Spalton Extreme Turbo Wood Splitter is a testament to tough logging warfare technology and maximizing productivity in the wood industry. With a processing capacity of 16 to 24 logs per cycle, the new 16 to 24 woodworking machine demonstrates outstanding efficiency in the wood industry, playing a key role in maximizing resource utilization. Come to the brute force 2030 CS wood processor that attracts attention with its powerful design and impressive capabilities, which can effectively turn raw wood into valuable wood. Next is a very large wood processing workshop in France. This is one of the world's largest wood-consuming countries. Let's see how they process wood into wood. Frontier OS 2.3 maple machine's integration of technology and tradition ensures a sustainable future for maple syrup production that delights taste buds and supports the local economy. Located in the heart of the sawmill, the Husaw R200 stands tall, its blade cutting through wood with precision and efficiency, a prime example of a modern lumber production platform. In addition to raw power, the Homelite Super 2100 chainsaw also plays an important role in forestry operations, speeding up the felling and tree felling process while minimizing manual labor. The compact design and user-friendly features make the Logosol F2 chainsaw the ideal choice for anyone looking to get involved in small-scale lumber production projects. This machine combines compactness and utility to help him process large logs quickly and accurately. The LT70 Woodmiser saw is a game changer in the wood industry. With the ability to cut up to 70 inches wide and 21 feet long, it excels at handling softwoods like pine. One of the largest modern sawmill processing processes in the US. Let's follow this processing process. The devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again.